Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we'll talk about a very unique feature of the Poco F7. Now we have the Poco F7 with us with a massive 7550 milliampere battery. Now one of the features is that it supports 90 watt charging. That's definitely a good because we have already tested that. Now there is one more feature which is kind of really not that unique, but still on Poco F7 it does make sense because this has reverse charging. Reverse wired charging. Now if you ask me, reverse wired charging is nothing new. It has been an old feature for quite long time and almost all of the devices does support that. But on Poco F7 you get reverse wired charging at 22.5 watt fast charging. So reverse wired charging at 22.5 watt, that's something good because it is kind of fast charging. So let's see how that works. So this has the massive 7550 milliampere battery. So with that large capacity battery, it does make sense for a faster charging. So we have the Poco F7. Let's also check the charging. So we have the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Let's connect the device to the charger. So first let's connect a Poco. So for this you need a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. So we have the Type-C to Type-C cable and we need to connect this. So you don't need to enable anything. So just connect this. So you can see here quick charging, it says quick charging is enabled and that's the fast charging. So you can here see, if you see, check here, fast charging 83%. So this is what Poco can do. It can fast charge Xiaomi devices using the reverse charging at 22.5 watt. So this is kind of very unique feature because reverse charging is already available, but reverse wired fast charging at 22.5 watt is not very common. So Poco does that with the massive 7550 milliampere battery. So that's a good feature of the Poco F7. So if you are using this, you can quickly charge other devices using the massive battery. All you need a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.